My name is John Super with Legrand. First product I'll tell you about is our Nuvo Player Portfolio wireless audio system. The Player Portfolio starts with a set of rack-mountable 3-zone players. There's actually 3 different ones. I have 2 of them here with me today. The P3100 is a 3-zone 40-watt player. The P4300 is 110 watts per zone. And we have a P3500 professional grade 3-zone amplifier that is 100 watts per zone as well. Then we have single zone players. These are 2 out of the 3. I have a preamplifier that's not shown here, that's a P3100. Then I have my NVP 100. It's a single zone player, as I mentioned, 40 watts. This player can be hardwired via Ethernet, but also is Wi-Fi compliant. The P200 is a 60 watt per zone player. Also able to handle up to 2 pair of speakers. It's 4 ohm stable, and has Bluetooth built into it. So the idea behind the Nuvo Player Portfolio is it's really a system that's designed for the professional installer. It gives you the choice to have optional keypads. The keypads are power over Ethernet, so a single Cat5 to them. Other than that, the system is based on an app, so you use an app for your iPhone or Android phone or tablet, and you can stream audio from any of our services or any of the services that are out there that are native to our app. Things such as Pandora, iHeartRadio, TuneIn, Sirius, Deezer, a few others. You can pull content from the network, and you can also push content from a mobile device. The app is very user-friendly. So if you see right here, I have little icons that show me each of my zones. I can actually stream a different source to each and every zone. Right now I just have some music queued up, so I'll hit play. I can display my album art. I can go forward and backward on my playlist. So that's the type of functionality that it has. I think that's about it in a nutshell for the Nuvo Player Portfolio. All right, so the next product that I'll show you is Legrand's Wi-Fi lighting solution. This is our Radiant collection. Radiant being the decorator style with the screwless plates. And this is showcasing our dimmers and switches. They work on a radio frequency. So it's a very convenient system to be able to retrofit into an existing home. If you just need to simply create a 3-way or a 4-way switching or dimming situation where one doesn't exist now, then you can upgrade the system to have in-wall scene controllers. There is an event controller that will allow you to use and control the entire system via an app. It will let you set up scenes that will occur automatically through the atomic clock. So if you want your outdoor lights to come on when the sun sets, if you want your Christmas lights to come on when the sun sets and go off at 10:30, if you want your fish tanks to come on and off when the sun rises and sets, because we all know it's very important for the fish's health to keep that circadian rhythm correct. It's a joke. The system also integrates with a lot of third-party control systems. So systems such as Control4, Crestron, Vantage, RTI. These are systems that if somebody has in their home or it's a new install, they can use this product and it will tie in seamlessly and maintain the look of everything else in the house. One of the probably most overriding themes in homes that have multiple systems is the difference in the look between things like light switches, on-wall volume controls, the low voltage connectivity. Everything looks different. So what Legrand has done, and this is part of this process, is to make sure that wherever you go in the house, whether it's above the rail or below the rail, the look and the feel is the same. And that's the Legrand RFLC lighting product. All right, so the last product line we'll talk about is Legrand's Adorn product line, the Adorn collection. Now, the cool thing about this product is the first time in probably 70 years that the shape of the light switch and the electrical outlet was really closely looked at and something new and innovative developed. So this demo case right here will show 5 out of the 7 available light switches or dimmers. We have a push button switch. You'll notice that it's perfectly square. All of the switches and outlets are perfectly square. This is a capacitive touch, very similar to touching the screen on your iPhone or your tablet. This is a paddle switch, so kind of like a short decorator style or radiant style switch. This is a whisper switch. You can see that this right here shows the switch, and the slide bar right here shows the dimmer portion of it. So after coming up with this new and unique innovative shape and different styles, and I apologize, I forgot the cool switch, which is this one right here, the wave switch. So you literally wave your hand in front of it and it will turn the light on or off. So after coming up with these innovative switches, they said, hey, how about the plates, right? So everybody traditionally has tried to make the plates blend in. So the Adorn team said, you know what? Let's not make them blend in. Let's make them stand out. So maybe you have a room where a titanium switch and a cherry red plate will look good. Maybe you have a room where this blue would be the right color to accent the decor. This style of plate right here is a nylon plate, so very affordable. Not wanting to stop there, they said, hey, what if we used real materials? How about a leather plate for the den? So this is actual leather. Put that right there. Or here's a brushed nickel. All the rage in bathrooms. What do you think? I think I like those two flip-flop. Anyway, so the Adorn line, all about accenting what used to be hidden or tried to make go away. So then, if we come over to here, you can see the Adorn switches as well as the outlets. You'll notice that this is, looks like they're upside down. One's upside down, one's upside right. Here's one with a USB charger in it. Here's GFCI outlets. Here's a couple switches. Now below you'll see the radiant line that we talked about earlier that is part of the wireless lighting control design. Everything in this line is designed to match and look the same. But back to the Adorn, a lot of different options to have that look all throughout the house and accent it. The last part of the Adorn line is the Adorn under cabinet lighting system. And I'm sorry, by the way, the Adorn lighting control, best lighting control product for the year. And the last part, if you can see that picture right there, probably looks like most people's counters, right? Got a lot of clutter, it's got a lot of cords, a lot of things plugged in. So the vision was, what if we could clean that picture up? What if we could get rid of all that clutter? So how are we gonna do that? Well, it's hard to see, I'm sure, in the picture, but let's take all the electrical outlets and let's move them up underneath the cabinets. That's where the Adorn under cabinet lighting system came into play. So here's a little bit larger picture of it, and it features a raceway that has electrical outlets built into it. It allows the end user to easily pop out an electrical outlet, replace it with a USB charger, and you can do that all along the track. There's cradles that are optional, speakers that work via Bluetooth. So again, a very innovative product that really cleans up the look in the kitchen. And that is the Adorn under cabinet lighting system. Thank you very much.